Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying the watch face down on a soft, lint-free cloth so you don't scratch it. Next, take a spring bar tool or a 0.5 mm pushpin, insert the forked end between lug and strap, then gently compress the spring bar inward to free it. Work slowly and steady, your hand stability matters. Once the bar compresses, pivot the strap out. Make sure to catch the released bar so it doesn't spring away. Now remove the old strap and take note of the spring bar orientation and length, because replacement bars must match. Insert the bar into the new strap's end so the bar protrudes evenly. Align the free end against one lug hole, then compress the opposite side with the tool and guide it into the other lug hole. You'll feel a slight click when it seats. Once fitted, tug gently to confirm both ends are fully engaged and secure. Finish by inspecting each spring bar visually and by hand. Pull the strap with moderate force to confirm it's secure. If buckle alignment or length feels off, adjust by refitting at the other hole or trim non-metal straps carefully. Make sure to use appropriate cutting and sealing methods. If a bar won't seat, don't force it. Clean the lug holes from debris, then try a fresh spring bar of the correct diameter. If problems persist, consult a watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.